Hello everyone, welcome to Code is Good. In this video, we will look into a problem of finding the second highest or third highest number in the given input array of integers. Over here, we will see an example where for a given input array with elements such as 25, 35, minus 20, 10, 61 and minus 40, we will first calculate that what is the first highest number. As in this case we can see that 60 is the highest over here. After 60, if we try to find the second highest, then it is 35, which will be the output of this problem. While we will be solving this problem, we will try to do it in a time complexity of big O of n. That is, we will be iterating this entire array to a maximum to its length. In this case, since it is having a 7 number of elements, so the maximum 7 primitive operations will be done. Then let's get into in our IDE and do the code for our problem. Over here, we have an input array with a set of input numbers given, and then we will call a method get second highest number with the input array as parameter, and then get the second highest number. So let's get into the get second highest number method and find the second highest number. For that, we will create few variables. Like first we'll create an integer of first highest number, which we will initialize it with integer dot min value, and similarly create another variable, another integer called second highest number, and this will be initialized again with integer dot min value. And post that, we will do an iteration over the input array starting with 0 index and till the length of the input array. While we will be iterating through this, we will check a condition that if the input array at index I, if it is greater than the first highest number, then we will assign the first highest number into the second highest number, which will be second highest number is equals to first highest number, and the first highest number will be assigned with the current number that is being used for comparison, that is input of I. And then we will do the return of the second highest. So what will happen? Firstly, 25 will come over here and we'll check if it is greater than. Since it is greater than, so the first highest will contain 25, and second highest which is having the previous value of first highest of minus infinity minus min value of integer, that will go to the second highest. Similarly, the second one will come until it goes. We will eventually run this code and see that we have got the second highest number or not. As we can see that the output was 35 over here. We can draw a table also of I, first highest and the second highest, and with each iteration we can see that how this condition helped us in getting the second highest number in big O of n iterations. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Code is Good for encouraging our work. Thank you.